Hello, you lovely lot, and happy Easter Monday. I can't believe Easter has come and gone. It feels like the year is flying past. We had an absolutely amazing Easter, doing lots of Easter egg hunts with the boys and things like that. And today I am sharing with you guys a spring clean and decorate video of me just popping up some very minimalist Easter decor this year. I've decided not to go full whole with it all and really kind of go overboard because, you know, it's cleaning, it's maintenance, and I did put the decor up quite late. So the boys do have the holidays over the next couple of weeks where they're off school to enjoy the Easter decor, but I thought I would keep it a little bit minimal and get some cleaning done, get some tidying up before they broke up from school. So I hope you guys are well. If you are looking to get some cleaning motivation on today, on this sunny Monday, which I'm absolutely loving, the sunshine has definitely been giving me all of the feels recently, then do clean alongside me, grab a coffee, grab a cup of tea, turn the music up, and let's get going. So I know for so many of my followers, you don't live in the UK, and I know a lot of you guys live in sunnier places, but over here in the UK, the weather is always so miserable and doom and gloom, and recently the sun has been shining, and I am so here for it. I've actually been speaking so much to Adam about emigrating to a sunny country. It's something that we've contemplated for many years now. And honestly, the way that the sunshine makes me feel when I go and do the school run, when I wake up in the morning and I can open the windows and hear the birds tweeting, it really just does put me in such a good mood. But I'd love to know if there's anything that you do that helps put you in a better mood besides the sunshine of a morning, because at the moment I'm struggling, and when the days are dark and damp and rainy and cold, it makes me sad. And I'm so glad that over here in the UK, the clocks have gone back, which means an extra hour of sunlight and daylight of an evening as well, because I know that sunnier and lighter evenings are ahead. And you'll have to excuse me the whole way through. I'm having a little bit of a jig, a little bit of a dance. I've got the music going. I think I had Usher on because I'm actually going to watch Usher next year in concert. So happy me and my friends got tickets. Absolutely love Usher. I think I'm singing and dancing along to Usher, but I actually dropped my tripod on my foot just before filming this as well. So if you see me hobble alongside this video, you know why. I was walking with a very bruised and swollen top of my foot.
You pulling me closer, but don't waste your time. Don't have any time for all your empty lies. I used to think that you were only mine, but I was blinded by a shallow light. I'll call your friends, I'll let them know that I'm so done with the tragic boys. Tonight I'll get into my zone. I'll dance until the tears are gone. No time for bad love, bad love, bad love. I'm dancing all these tears away. No time for bad love, bad love, bad love. I'm dancing all these fears away. Don't need it. Don't need it. Leaving you just made me realize all the things I used to sacrifice just to please you, just to call you mine. But look at me now, I have the time of my life. I'll call your friends, I'll let them know that I'm so done with the.
So at the moment, I'm also in a huge headspace of essentially pretty much getting rid of everything in my house. I mean, if you look at my home from now until when I actually started filming back in, God, how long have we been on YouTube for? Like 10 years this year we've been on YouTube for. But if you look at when I started my cleaning content, that was about 8 years ago now. And honestly, if you look at how much my interior design has changed alongside how I go about furnishing my home, I'm very much more a minimalist now. Less is definitely more, and I can't stand having too much to clean around, and also just too much clutter on the side. Visually, it helps me mentally if there is less out and about, and it's easier for me to work with. Everything kind of had us home, but I'm still struggling with, I still have so much stuff inside my home. And whilst my surfaces look very clean and tidy, and visually to the eye, if someone were to walk into my home, it would look quite pleasant and easy to view. The cupboards, the drawers, under the beds, the wardrobes, they are full to the brim. And I really do need to start getting rid of stuff. Me and my husband have been working through trying to get rid of a lot of the stuff that we used to store in the loft that is now in our garage. However, there is still so much to do. We've been doing so many tip runs. I'm really trying to sell stuff online, on Facebook, on Vinted and things like that. But I am a bit of a keepsake hoarder. I'm very sentimental. I like to keep on to bits, and I always think, you know, I could use this then and I could use that soon, and for whatever extra reasons. But actually that's just not the case. So I'm really working hard to be a little bit more harsher with myself and getting rid of stuff that no longer needs to be in the house, or stuff that I haven't used, or stuff that I'm just not going to find a use for. I mean, I have boxes of wedding stuff where we actually brought a lot of our own wedding decor and brought it over to Santorini. And at one point I did use that in my home, but my style's changed and that's no longer something that I'd put back out. And I just don't need it sitting in a box in the garage. So I'm being very strict with myself, and I'm actually going to be starting a minimalist series over here on my channel. And I am basically going to be working through the entirety of my house, from the garage, clothing, children's toys, under my bed, the wardrobes, the kitchen cupboards. I mean, you name it. There is not going to be an area that isn't going to be touched. I'm going to be very, very, very good at streamlining everything, because it's just clutter. I mean, we've moved a lot over the past few years, and every time we move, it's taken us more time to obviously find homes for all this stuff. We also lose stuff along the way because there's so much stuff. I bought some amazing lashes last year for my 30th birthday, which were like semi-permanent lashes. I put them on myself, they're individual. Absolutely love them. They're called Tatty lashes. They cost me a lot of money and I lost them. I walked into the garage literally a couple of days ago and found them sitting in a toiletry bag on the floor. Where they'd come from, I don't know, but I've been looking for them for an entire year and I've only just found them again. So I'm so upset with myself that I've not had them, but it just goes to show how much needs to be decluttered. So we started working on the garden over this past weekend. We've been trying to potentially upcycle a few bits. I was going to get rid and just buy new. I'm actually going to work on more upcycling and see what I can do before I look to sell some bits on. jet washed all the patio. We're trying to make that a good place for the boys. And then we're going to be back into the garage and back into the house to really start streamlining down this house, because mentally it's just feeling very full and I don't think we need as much in this house as we have. But let me know if that's something you think you guys would enjoy watching over here. Obviously, I know you guys love watching my clean and decorates, and obviously my decorating videos and my cleaning videos. And I know that I have minimalised so many times in the past, but this is going to be a more hardcore series, and there is going to be a lot of in-depth getting rid of. I mean, there's not an area that's not going to be touched.
Dancing all these tears away. No time for bad love, bad love, bad love. I'm dancing all these fears away. Don't need you. Time for bad love, bad love, bad love. I'm dancing all these tears away. No time for bad love, bad love, bad love. I'm dancing all these fears away. Don't need you. Bad love, bad love, bad love. No time for bad love, bad love. What you're doing is making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but...
So I finished cleaning in the kitchen now, and I actually gave everywhere a really deep clean the other week, but I didn't actually film it. I was just in one of those moods, you know, when you're in the zone and you're like, right, this is I'm going to get SHIT done today. And so that was what I did. So everywhere had a really deep clean. I did skirting boards. I did everything you can think of, and it had a really good clean everywhere in my home. So I was really chuffed with that. But I just wanted a little heads up. I was awaiting some chocolates to go in these little Easter glass containers. They now do have chocolates in them. They've got some little Maltese bunnies and some mini eggs, which I absolutely love. But then I had a bit of a pause because I had to go and pick up my son from preschool. He only had a half day on this day, so I didn't have a lot of time to get a lot of stuff done. So I went and picked him up, and then I carried on with the cleaning and decorating once the kids had gone to bed. So here I now am in the living room trying to sort stuff out, hence why it's a lot darker. In here, trying to sort out this sofa. I mean, I'm not going to go into it, you know, guys. I don't like this sofa so much. It's awful. But tidying up in the living room, getting all the kids' toys picked up, sofa cushions plumped back up, blankets picked back up, you know, just giving everywhere a general tidy up so we can sit down here in peace. I'm definitely going to start getting some more routine videos out for you guys as well, because I feel like I haven't done any of those in years and years now. And my routines have definitely changed a lot. I now have 3 children. I think the last time I did routine videos, I had 2 children, and my middle son, who is almost 7 in a couple of months' time, I doubt he was even 1, or maybe he was 1 or 2 the last time I did a routine video. So it's been a long time. So if there are any particular routines you'd like to see from me, maybe it's a school morning routine or a half-term routine, or whether it's an evening cleaning routine. You guys let me know what you're after routine wise, and I will definitely look to prioritise some of those videos for you. But I'd also love for you guys to let me know in the comments below where you're actually watching from. Are you guys watching from all the way over in the US? Are you watching from Australia? Are you here in the UK? I know I have some lovely followers that follow me from Greece, which I absolutely love it when you guys message me. Greece holds such a cherished place in my heart. Having got married out in Santorini, we're actually back off to Greece this year with our first family holiday as a family of three. I was about to say five. 3 boys. Our first family holiday as a family of 5, because we haven't been away the last few years, and Hudson's 2, and we just haven't found the time to get away abroad. So this will be our first holiday abroad, and I'm so excited for it. So yeah, let me know if you have any recommendations on places to go in Rhodes, because that's where we're off to. But yeah, let me know where you are watching from.
My wheels in motion, I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too, 'cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know, and I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling.
And this is me almost done with my Easter decorating. This bunting I actually got from someone at Home Bargains years and years and years ago now, but I use it and repurpose it every year. I really do like the way it looks. But I have done a couple of Easter and spring hauls in terms of clothing, decor, cleaning products and things like that. So I'll leave them linked above and below for you, so you can head on over and give them a watch, because if you see any bits that you love, it's definitely worthwhile heading out to the shops now to grab them at a discounted price, because so many Easter bits now will be heavily discounted, and you'll have fresh decor for next year that you've got at a fraction of the price. So I would highly recommend that. I also wanted to mention as well, that spray you just saw me use in this video is my flash spray. It's in a lemon scent, and oh my god, it is to die for. I absolutely love that scent. But like I said, that's me wrapping up this video. I'm just going to give everyone a quick hoover, and then I'm done for the evening, and my house is decorated for Easter, and the boys loved it. Even though there wasn't a lot this year, I didn't want to go OTT. I was just kind of really enjoying the more minimal feel to help my brain. But I hope you guys have enjoyed watching. Do let me know all of my little questions that I've asked you in the comments below. If you are new, please do click subscribe. I love sharing content with you guys. Cleaning content, routines, hauls, decor, you name it. I kind of love all that sort of stuff, so I'll definitely be sharing more. And for all of my existing subscribers, thank you so much. Please do give me a big thumbs up as always. And I will chat to you in the comments and see you all again very, very soon. Bye guys.